Welcome to Faiza Mushtaq's Toddler Diary. Today we will discuss that how parents should behave when their kids are being shy and they don't want to meet the guests or the strangers. You should avoid saying or validating a judgmental and label sentences like she's always so shy with new people. Just narrate their feelings. She's deciding if she feels comfortable, she will come out. Number 4. Avoid saying, I don't know why she does this. Her sister is so social, but she is not. Just simply explain their feelings. She is feeling observant or unsure, and that's okay. Avoid saying, I'm sorry, that's so embarrassing, she don't want to meet you, but just say she needs more time to warm up. She will say hello when she is ready. That's okay to explain your child's feeling. Avoid say you need to say hello and don't force your kids. Just try to say you really want her to say hello and she is not ready. What's important is always honor where your child is at and try saying my daughter is not shy, she is being her own person, and that's okay. When it comes to child being slow to warm up, there's difference between saying to a child, you are shy versus I wonder why if you are feeling shy. The first one is preparing a label, the second is helping a child identity.